Hello friends, I am Vaibhav Markad and today's date is 28th December 2021. Today I have discussed linked list in Java. So we will discuss linked list does not store the elements in content contiguous locations like array list. Each elements linked to each other using pointer. So for example 1 2 3 4 each elements are point to one by one and last element is null. So each element is also called as a node or objects. So linked list classes in Java implements list in interfaces. It also implements clonable serializable interface. So linked list store any number of objects. It has a dynamic memory size, automatically grow as a shrink. Whenever we want to add or insert a new elements in a list, we use linked list because elements are joined by line or pointer. Whenever we want to insert the elements in a linked list, at that time it is very easy to insert the elements and time complexity we will reduce and become big O of 1. And if we want to search elements from the list by using linked list, at that time linked list will be see one by one. So time complexity will be increased and becomes big O of n. So let's properties of linked list we will discuss. Can contain duplicate elements, maintain locations, maintain insertions orders. Every element store the address address of each next element. So head is first object and tail is the last object. Head does not have previous address and tail does not have not address. It can contain any number of null values, non-synchronized. Linked list does not provide default capacity. So linked list there are three main types: singular linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list. So singular linked list, there is a no null no null after tail. How to form linked list? How to form linked list? Maintain insertion order. No certain form mainly used for insertion or addition operations because time complexity is big O of n. So time complexity during insertion is big O of 1 and during search big O of n. It is the difference between array list and linked list. So in array list store the elements in a contiguous memory location, and in a linked list does not store the elements in a contiguous memory location. In a array list classes implements list clonable interface, and linked list classes implements list clonable serializable queue interface. In array linked list, default capacity of array list is 10 and does not have any default capacity becomes is create node in linked list. In linked list, internally wages dynamic array in store the elements in array list, and internally uses doubly linked list to store the elements. So search operations is fast because of super random access, and in linked list search operation is because it does not support the random access. So array list increase its size automatically, but internally create new array list and copy all value from old array that consumes more memory. And in linked list it does not increase the size in advance. So thank you.